Hey guys, welcome back to tweelingZA. My name is Taka, and today's video is basically going to be about how we edit our YouTube videos. So if you want to know how you do this to adding this, then let's get right to the video and let's go. So I'm going to be looking through down my phone and just to tell you the topics we're going to be talking about throughout the video. But firstly, I'm going to talk about what I use to edit, since I'm the one who does the editing for our videos. Now, what I use to edit is Final Cut Pro. You can only get that on MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. You know what the laptop is. I don't think you can get it for Windows users. I'm not sure why, but people who have MacBooks can get it for themselves. And yeah, sorry guys, but yeah. Now the other one is how Final Cut Pro looks like, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to show you how it looks like now. And then how to import music and videos onto the application.
Hey guys, so firstly what you have to do is you have to create a new project. You can name it whatever you want, but here I named it how to edit videos. So you name it, and then afterwards you just import the video, going into that button, the icon, dragging it to directly access it to it, and then you pick whatever video you want. So I picked my old farmers video, go check it out, and then you just drag it down onto that set over there. You want to see how far you want it, so I drag down and click that button so I can use blade to cut the video into which part you want, so that in order for you to maybe when you add music, you just pick whichever section you want to add the music to. So you go into that button and go into videos or iTunes, pick whatever song you want. I chose video games, so you drag that song down to the same platform you added onto it, and then that's how you add the video and song.
Now the next one is adding text onto the video. What I like to use is that I download different types of fonts onto this website called thefont.com, which I'm going to add here, and then I download all of those ones, and then I use those, and then as you download into your laptop, then that's when you can change how it looks, how your desired text, and then I'm going to explain how it is through a voiceover.
So what you have to do is that you can pick any text. There's already installed text onto Final Cut Pro, so you pick any. I chose custom, so I drag it down onto the platform that you've added your music and your video. Then afterwards you double click it so you can edit it. What you can do is that you can type whatever you want to type. So I will type to edit videos. Over here you can name it whatever you want. Afterwards, as you can see here, you can pick any font you want. I installed fonts at thefont.com, so you can literally pick any font you want, and I picked that type of fonts into my video. Then afterwards, I reduce or increase the size depending on what you want. Then I add any color, so then it pops up a color wheel. You can play around with the colors, so I chose that type of color, and then that's how you add text and edit your text onto your video. For now, I'm going to show you how I add background colors onto the video. So what I do is I go to generators, which is under installed titles. I drag it down onto the platform over here. I put it on top of the video, which I wasn't supposed to do, but what I'm doing now is that I'm making the clip smaller, and then I go to generators just to see if I resize the background color or not. But as you can see, it's wrong that it's on top of the video. So what I'm supposed to do is that I'm supposed to drag it underneath the video, because if you put it on top, it's going to do the same mistake I did here. So then you can see the difference to what I did now. And as you can see, I'm resizing it so you can see the difference. Now I go to the color wheel, and then it's going to pop up the color wheel. So right here is that you can pick whatever color you want to how you want your background to be. You can play around with the color wheel. As you can see, I'm trying to work with what is perfect for the video. So this is how you're gonna have your background color to look like, and yeah.
Yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you've learned a lot here. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Comment below so I can do how we edit our YouTube videos 2.0. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Comment below. Yeah, tell your friends, and your friends' friends. Bye guys.
I love